Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here for this PowerPoint tutorial. So there was something sort of interesting that I just sort of noticed, and sometimes when you're working with software, you're like, wait, is that something new? And as a subscriber to Microsoft 365, every once in a while, I'm not sure if that's a new thing that just came in or if it's been there for a while. But nonetheless, I want to point it out to you. I'm going to go up and click on a blank presentation and start a brand new presentation that's completely blank. It gave me one slide. Now over here on the right hand side we see some design ideas, but that's not what I want to draw your attention to. If I want to create a new slide, I can come up and just click on this and I created a new slide. If I click on this drop down, I have different kinds of slides I can choose from. So if I want to do this type of slide, a comparison slide, now this is a little bit different. But what I found intriguing is the reuse slides, and I'm going to click on that. So when I did that, it's searching my computer, and I can also search OneDrive in different areas to find slides that I've used before. And I thought that was really intriguing because sometimes I have found in the past I've wanted to create a new presentation, but based on sort of a layout or a concept of some of the old slides that I had been using. So I thought that was really interesting and sort of a good new feature that I wanted to make you aware of. Again, don't reinvent the wheel. If you've spent time creating stuff, use it. Use it from other presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Olowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.